So the beginning of 2021 has brought good news as India's wait for the COVID-19 vaccine seems to be finally coming to an end, with Covishield getting the nod for emergency use. Here's more on India's mission vaccine.
India finally gets its vaccine, Covishield. It does bring cheer this New Year's and big relief to 1.3 billion people across of India. The subject expert committee has given approval to Serum Institute's Covishield for emergency use. It is to be administered in 2 doses, and this vaccine is developed by AstraZeneca and Oxford University. It is proven to have about 62% efficacy overall. It's also shown to have about 90% efficacy if given the first time half a dose. Now we tell you why Covishield is the best option for India. Other promising vaccines like Pfizer and Moderna need to be kept in intense cold temperatures, like Pfizer at -70 degrees Celsius and Moderna at -20 degrees Celsius, whereas Covishield needs to be kept in regular refrigerated temperatures between 2 to 8 degrees Celsius, which makes it all the more easy for transportation and supply. Now, one of the biggest advantages of Covishield is that it's locally produced at the Pune-based Serum Institute of India. In fact, while speaking exclusively to India Today, CEO Adar Poonawalla did mention that the global cost for Covishield is $3 per dose, whereas for Pfizer, it comes up to $20 per dose, and for Moderna, somewhere between $10 to $50 per dose. The world's biggest vaccine manufacturer, Serum Institute of India, has now already stockpiled 50 million doses, enough for 25 million people the first round. Being a homegrown vaccine, Covishield possesses less distribution challenges. In fact, the current supply chain used to distribute other vaccines across of India will be used to supply and distribute Covishield as well, particularly to those rural areas where cold storage facilities are a lot weaker. Now remember, Covishield has got permission only for emergency use, which means only the government of India can distribute these vaccines to frontline workers and high-risk groups. Now the tough question, will Covishield vaccine be effective on the mutated strain of the virus? CEO Adar Poonawalla has confirmed that this vaccine will be as effective even on the mutated strain of coronavirus. Now, as per the Indian government, 30 crore Indians will be vaccinated by July, given priority to healthcare and frontline workers. Let's hope this vaccine comes as the first step towards the end of this pandemic, and we begin this New Year's with hope and victory.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.